It is just a two-step process to repair Windows 10 using automatic repair. Click on Start icon, then select Settings. On this window, click on Update and Security, then select Recovery and click on Restart Now. Wait for some time. Now on this window, click on Troubleshoot, then select Advanced option, then click on Startup Repair. Now wait for some time. Now choose an account to continue, then select Continue. It will take some time to complete its process, so wait for some time. Now click on Advanced option and select Continue. That's it guys, your problem is solved, you're good to go.